Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how can you create Windows 10 bootable pen drive for free. You need few things like Windows 10 ISO disk image file, then another rufus software and a pen drive of minimum 8 GB storage which should be empty because the data if you have will be destroyed on creating bootable pen drive. Now if you try to download Windows 10 from your computer, you will see such a screen where there is no option to download Windows 10. So you will need to download Windows 10 ISO file from your mobile, and then you will need to later copy it to your Windows. Now we will download Rufus software, so we will open a tab and here we will search RUFUS. Then we have to go to first website of Rufus, and then we have to slightly scroll down, and then we can see there is setup for x86 and setup for x64. So if you have operating system which is 32-bit, then you will go for x86, and if you have operating system 64-bit, then you should go to x64 setup. So I have 64-bit operating system, so I will go to x64 setup. Just to Now it is downloading. Here the download is completed, so we will open the setup. Within few seconds it will open. Now I didn't inserted the pen drive, so I will insert the pen drive now. Once you have inserted the pen drive, you can see here. Now we have to select ISO image file which we have copied in your PC. So here we have to click on select, and then we will select the ISO file which we have copied here. Now we will click on open. So once we can see the ready is here, we don't need any option to change. So we will click on start, and here we don't need to tick any of this, so we will click on OK and skip that part. And here within few seconds there will be warning all data on this device will be destroyed, so we should ensure that there is no data present on pen drive. Here after that we have to click on OK. Now we can see here the process is initiated, so it will take a few minutes, like 6 or 7 minutes to complete, so we need to wait for that. After we can see 7 minutes 48 seconds, the ready is showing in green bar, so we can say that our bootable pen drive is ready and we can use it for clean installation of Windows, and we don't need to do anything else here. So we will click on close, and once it is closed we can disconnect our pen drive and use it for Windows installation.